Episode 6 Information. How the Universe Remembers. Information is everywhere. It's in the way atoms bond, the way DNA stores your traits, and the way your memories stay inside your brain. Information is simply a pattern that can be remembered, and the universe is very good at remembering. Information in nature. A snowflake remembers temperature. A crystal remembers its structure. A tree remembers the shape of its DNA. You remember your past. Even galaxies remember how matter flowed billions of years ago. Information is not magic. It's just patterns that persist long enough to matter. Persistence needs information. Nothing can last without information. A living cell survives because information tells it what to do. A star shines because information keeps its reactions stable. Your body exists because information tells each piece where to go. Information is the universe's way of saying, keep this pattern, it's useful. Information can change. Information is not frozen. It can shift, grow, and evolve. Your memories update, mutates. Galaxies merge and create new patterns. This is how the universe learns. The PUBG view. In the persistence information weave, information is one of the foundations of the universe. Matter carries information. Energy carries information. Your thoughts carry information. And everything that lasts, from atoms to galaxies, does so because the universe protects certain information long enough for it to make a difference. Why information matters. When you understand information, you understand how life evolves, how memory works, why complexity grows, why your choices shape the world, and why the universe builds structure instead of chaos. Information is the universe remembering itself. You are a living pattern made of information, and the universe has been preparing your story for billions of years.